Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone is findable and won't turn on. If you're using any iPhone and you are having an issue that your iPhone is findable and it will not turn on, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, let me explain that why this problem caused. So if you are using your iPhone and your battery drains less than 5%, so it will take time to turn on your iPhone. So sometimes your battery could cool down and it will take more time to charge. So you have to make sure that you have insert your charger up to 10%. So once you have it inserted, you will not get any problem of this type. But if you are having the issues, so now what you have to do, so you just have to make sure that you have inserted your charger with the original iPhone charging cable. So you have to insert the original charging cable of your iPhone and you have to wait for almost 10 minutes, or sometime it might be 1 hour. So you must have to wait. Or if you are still having the same issue that your iPhone won't turn on, so now what you have to do, you have to press and hold your volume up and the power button at the same time and wait for your Apple logo. So you must have to try this. It might take a while, it might take almost up to 20 seconds. So you just have to try this. So once you have the Apple logo, so it will fix all of your problems. So in this way, you can easily fix if your iPhone is findable and will turn on. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.